Now we'll discuss the electricity bill, how the electricity bill is calculated. These are the appliances found in a particular house, and this is usage. Usage means for what time they are used per day or per week. Here it is 2 hours per day, and this is daily energy consumption that we will calculate from this, and numbers of the particular appliance. Suppose electric bulb, there is one electric bulb of 100 watt in the house, and total monthly energy consumption by appliance. For this particular appliance, what is the total energy consumption? Let us start. This is the electric bulb. It is 100 watt bulb, and it is used 2 hours per day. So what is the daily energy consumption? It is a 100 watt bulb that is used for 2 hours. So multiplying these two, we will get the watt hour. That is 100 into 2, it is 200 watt hour. This much energy is consumed per day. There is only one such bulb in the house. So the total consumption, that is for each bulb, it is 200 watt. So it is 200 watt hours. So it is 200 into 1 into 30. 30 is for 30 is there. That is the monthly consumption by this electric bulb. Similarly, for this LED lamp, that is 10 watts, and these bulbs are in average used 5 hours each day. The energy consumption by this single bulb is 10 into 5, that is 50 watt hour in a day. Usually these days few people uses these incandescent electric bulbs, and people are more using these LED lamps. It gives more light, and incandescent lamps, they give light as well as heat. That is not required. Some percentage of energy is converted to heat. That's why these bulbs are used less. And LED lamps, there are 6 such lamps. So how much energy these lamps are consuming? That is 50 watt hour consumed by each bulb. So it will be multiplied with 6 for 6 number of bulbs, and if it will be multiplied with 30, we will get the energy consumed by these 6 LED lamps, which are used 5 hours each day. Okay, so we get how much? It is 9000 watt hours. Similarly, for fluorescent lamp, it is 40 watt. Usually fluorescent lamps, those are 40 watt or 36 watt, or smaller ones, they are around 20 watt or 18 watts. So there are fluorescent lamps of 40 watt, and each is used 5 hours per day. So the daily consumption by each of these 40 into 5, that is 200 watt hour, and there are 2 such bulbs in the house. So we'll simply multiply this 200 into 2, and it is multiplied by 30 to find the monthly power consumption by these fluorescent lamps. Similarly, for the ceiling fans are usually 60 watt or 70 watt. So they are used 10 hours per day, and for this particular house, if you are using it less, then you can take it 7 hours, or if it is used for more hours, then 12-15 hours, like that, or more. We will multiply this 600 watt hour into 3 into 30 for 30 days. So monthly it will consume this much energy. Similarly, for iron for pressing the clothes, and it is used for 5 hours. This is not 5 hours per day. Every day no one uses iron for 5 hours. It is per month. Okay, so that's why daily usage we have not calculated. There is one electric iron in the house, and that iron is used 5 hours in the month. So total monthly consumption is 1000 into 5, and that is 5000 watt hour. Okay, this I have colored it blue because it is not used daily, just to stand out. Okay, there is one fridge that is used 24 hours per day, and you can find the daily consumption by multiplying 120 watt with 24. So we will get the watt hours per day, that is 2880. Okay, we get 2880 watt hour, and there is one such electric. There is one such fridge. It is obviously electric. This much is consumed by the fridge per each day, and for 30 days we multiplied, so we get this much. Similarly for TV, and it is used 5 hours per day. That TV is 60 watt, and 60 watt multiplied with 5 hours per day, so it is 300 watt hour used every day. There is one such TV, so we'll get 300 into for 30 days into 30, so we'll get 9000 watt hour. You can see that the power consumed by this fridge is very high, that is 84 kilowatt hour, or 86, that is 86,400 watt hour. And also by this ceiling fan, that is 54,000. You can see that this TV is consuming moderately low, that is acceptable, 9,000 watt hour, so you can watch more TV, no problem. What is the total energy consumption by all these appliances in this particular house? We have to add this. Let us add. So the total we are getting 181,000. That means 181,000, this much watt hour. So this much watt hour is consumed by this particular house. Let us write it here. The total power consumed by this house is equal to 181,000, this much watt hour. If it will be divided by 1000, so we'll get kilowatt hour. Watt hour divided by 1000. So how much we get? We get 181 kilowatt hour. This much kilowatt hour is consumed by this appliances, or the total energy consumed by the house. That is same as 181 units. 1 unit is 1 kilowatt hour, so it is in total 181 units. So based on this energy consumption, electricity bill we get from the utilities, the power company. The power companies charge based on this, that is how much units you have consumed in the month, in a particular month. So if the tariff of the distribution company is like this, that it is $0.1 per unit, so you have to multiply this with 0.1, you will get how much? $18. Similarly, it may be in rupees. If it is suppose 4 rupees per unit, then you have to multiply 4 with 181, then you will get the total rupees you have to pay. Or it may be in pound, 0.04, this much pound per unit. Similarly, you have to pay. This is the calculation. This way you can find the total energy consumption. In the household, you will see that from the utility line is coming to your house, and in the house there is the meter, and this line is passing through the meter, and from the meter it comes to main switch, then it is distributed to different rooms, and total energy is calculated by this meter. Accordingly, you have to pay to the supply company based on this tariff rate. That's all for now, and we'll discuss more next time.